The Pentagon, located in Arlington, Virginia, is not just a five-sided building. It's a symbol of power, efficiency, and American military might. Built between 1941 and 1943, the Pentagon replaced the outdated War Department buildings in Washington, D.C. Its unique design, a five-sided shape with 5 floors and 5 corners, was chosen for its structural efficiency and resistance to bombing during wartime. The Pentagon is the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense, home to the offices of the Secretary of Defense, the Joint Chiefs of Staff, and thousands of military and civilian personnel. It houses 5 rings, each ring representing a different aspect of the Department of Defense. The first ring, known as the ground floor, contains the main entry, the lobby, and the visitor center. The second ring, the mezzanine floor, houses the U.S. Army's Pentagon Force Protection Agency. The third ring, the work rings, is where the real business takes place. These floors are home to the various branches of the military, including the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard. The fourth ring, the Ring of the Missile Agency, is where the Missile Defense Agency and the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, are housed. The fifth ring, the Ring of the Joint Staff, is where the Joint Staff, the Joint Chiefs of Staff, and the Office of the Secretary of Defense are located. The Pentagon is also known for its impressive architecture. Designed by American architects Gino A. Munoz, George Bergstrom, and Charles Erickson, the building is an example of modernist architecture. Its five-sided shape, made of COR-10 steel, has become an iconic symbol of the United States. Despite its size, the Pentagon is surprisingly energy efficient. It uses a combination of natural light, geothermal energy, and rainwater collection to reduce its environmental impact. The Pentagon has played a crucial role in American military history. It has been the center of decision-making during times of war, including the Cold War, the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, the War on Terror, and the ongoing conflicts in Afghanistan and Iraq. However, the Pentagon is more than just a symbol of military power. It's a symbol of efficiency, innovation, and the American spirit. Despite its size and complexity, it operates with a level of organization and precision that is truly remarkable. In the years to come, the Pentagon will continue to play a vital role in American defense. It will continue to be the hub of decision-making, innovation, and strategic planning for the United States military. And it will continue to stand as a symbol of American strength and determination.